Hey my beautets, welcome back to my channel. So happy to see you. So as you know, we are going to jump right in. This is going to be a reverse ombre eye look, as you can tell by the title. So I'm just going in with my Huda Beauty nude palette, and we're just gonna create a nice soft color. I don't really want to add a lot of like depth to this look, because the concentration is actually underneath the eye, being that this is a reverse eyeliner eye look. It's going to be in the bottom, so we're going to create the eyeliner pointing outward from the bottom. So for right now, on our crease and our eyelid, we just want to cover it up with a nice soft beautiful nude color, and this will diffuse the whole look coming together. Right now I'm also going in with my James Charles palette. I love these beautiful colors, and I'm gonna put this pink on my lid as fast as I add the timer on this, because I actually took a long time actually to get this look, to create this look. So just because I actually fasten it up doesn't mean that's what that time took. It actually is longer than that, because you want to take your time blending as you create each color on top of each other. You want to keep blending. You want to be able to make sure that everything is seamlessly blended out, of course, to how you like it. And just keep adding the color. This is like play and go, play and go. You have to keep adding in the same colors, because as you blend out, the color diffuses, and you can keep adding as to how much depth you want your colors to come out. I only used this pink on my lid, like I said, because the dramatic look is really what's the eyeliner underneath my eyelid. So that's really the concentration. We're going to use this Pixie Cream gel eyeliner. I absolutely love it. It's my first time using it. And we're going to add this right underneath our eye, and also smudge it out. You want to get a brush to smudge it out. Now, when you smudge it out, you want to make sure you also add a black shadow, just to make it more depth, more in depth. And this is an reverse eyeliner look, so you want the eyeliner to come out, nice, seamlessly. And it's a beautiful, black is beautiful when you know how to use it. You know what I mean? Like, black is a very scary color. It can go high, it can go low, but that's what I love about makeup. You can always erase it. This is not permanent. So, before I would get really upset when looks just wasn't coming about for me, and I would just be so mad about this black and browns and like dark colors. But I learned to just like concentrate, blend, diffuse, accordingly to how you like it. But it's all just trial and error, and just keep going. So I'm just basically blending out the colors that I have underneath here, which is the black. So basically, I'm just adding more black and adding more eyeliner, because as you smudge, as you go, you kind of take off the color a little bit too. So you need to keep going back and forth to keep adding those colors. Now I'm just going to add this brown underneath the black, just to give it a smoked out effect. Now, it doesn't matter how much this gets messy, because at the end of the day, you can clean it up. You can get your wipey, you can get, your little wipey cloths, your makeup wipey cloths, you can get a makeup remover, you could get concealer, it's all going to get cleaned up, because I technically, when I like to do eye looks or even makeup in general, I just attack my eyes first. I feel like that's my focus, and I just have to everything else is my focus as well, but I just feel like the eyes should be the first thing. And if I'm gonna do a look like this that has black and like browns and any type of smoked out or eyeliner look like this, I don't really do the face part yet. Some artists do, but I feel that that can mess up the makeup, because any shadows that fall out onto the face, and if you already have everything set and done, yeah, that can mess up the look. And at least with me, I play it safe, at least in that part. So yeah, I'm just adding these lashes. These are angel lashes. I bought them on Amazon. They are beautiful. They come in a beautiful butterfly case, is what made me get them. And it's just beautiful. Like, I love these angel lashes. Yeah, so I'm just making sure that they're all applied on with the applicator. Now I'm going in with my ColourPop mascara. This is a volumizing mascara. I just got this from Ulta. So you would find this product on my other video, which would be the new video coming up after this, talking about some new products that I got, because ladies, it's crazy. I really haven't bought makeup in like over 2 years, like really ever since this corona thing happened. And the thing is, like, I have a lot of eye palettes, and it's like, why would I keep, I mean, the shopping addict in me, of course, you know, but I have to feel the spark in it, and I'm not going to buy things just to buy it. I'm not one of those, especially now that I'm older and I save my money. Like, I don't care if it's an LV lipstick. Like, if I can get a dupe, I will get a dupe. You know what I mean? But of course, I like the finer things, so I do enjoy the finer side. But yeah, I haven't really bought makeup is the point. So I just found some cute little things from Ulta, and I just want to show what good deals they have, because it is the 21 days of beauty. But anyways, you can check that out when that is posted. I'm going to continue to finish just blending out my face and basically smoothing out everything on my concealer and my foundation, so that it can be very nice and glowy and dewy. And right now I'm going in with my Jordana all over glow stick. This is like for the face, so I'm just adding it to give it a that underneath the cheek, and it makes the cheek more like beautiful and more popped up. And yeah, I always like to use like cream glows and stuff. Now I'm going to add this e.l.f. Foundation, and I'm just going to use it in areas where I would want the foundation to be in right now. And for this look, I'm also going to be cleaning it up over the glow, so that way it can give a very skin tone, very satin finish, very dewy, natural flow, if you know what I mean. Because I love in-depth looks, but at the same time, it has to be like not natural, but it has to have like that glow, like that natural face glow to it, if you know what I mean. Which is why I take skincare very importantly, especially now getting older. You want to take care of your skin, but also it all depends on what you're eating and how much water you are drinking. So if you don't drink a lot of water and your face is dehydrated or pimples or textured and you're not liking it, I advise to just keep drinking water. Or even if you can add you know, like mint, cucumber, adding to your water to give it such like a hydration, it's really good for you. Try it out. So right now I'm gonna have, you hear me? I'm gonna use this cream Wet n Wild blush. Like I said, for looks when you want it to be very like natural and dewy, but like shiny and, you know, like natural. Use cream bases, everything cream. You know, if you want to use a cream bronzer, use a cream bronzer. Use a cream blush, everything cream, because that's what gives the look more like a dewy wet look versus powders and powders and powders. It's more on the matte side. You know, depending on what products you use, because everything now comes saying dewy or matte, so you would know obviously which way you want to go. But me personally, I only like matte during the winter sometimes. And not even, I just mostly I always stuck to like dewy satin soft looks for my face. But I'm going to use this little bit of chocolate soul bronzer on my face, just to give it a natural depth from any type of powder. I'm not using too much, but I just used it on my cheeks. And right now I'm blending out the glow that I had on my forehead. Yes, bitch, glow, contour, 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 blend, blend, blend is your mother friend, because if you don't blend, it's just going to be very harsh, and we don't want harshness. We want seamlessly blended out smoothness, okay? Your cheeks, your high cheekbones, it's yours, honey, it's yours. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to keep blending and blending. And now I'm going to add in this MAC bronzer. Oh my God, this has been my favorite for so many years. And it gives like an all natural, all over face complexion look. So it's like an all over glow for your complexion. And I absolutely love this. It lasted me a very long time. Like, I can't even believe like I still have it and it still works beautiful. So thank you, MAC. And I do not break out. And yeah, so as long as my makeup is safe and clean and up to date, I should be fine. But yeah, I'm just cleaning this up, basically making sure that my cheeks are nice, edged, and sharp. I'm using a little bit of the Fit Me Maybelline concealer because it's like mostly closely to like skin-like, and that's what I would like to use to just clean it up. Now we're going to go in with this Mega Glow from Wet n Wild, and we're going to just glow like a light bulb. We're going to add that on, a little bit cocaine there, a little bit of shine of cocaine there. And voila, this video is done. I hope you beautettes like the way it came out. I did. If you saw it in person, it looked way better in person, I personally would say. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm tongue-tied. I hope you enjoyed this video, beautettes, and I cannot wait to see you on the next one. Bye-bye.